Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is Introduction to Trigonometry. This is the third video on this topic. In the first video we introduced you to the concepts of trigonometry, and in the second video we discussed the hot questions which were examination based questions in trigonometry. The links of those videos are given in the description box. This particular video focuses on MCQ problems related to trigonometry. Pay attention students and be ready with pen and paper. In the first problem, we are given sine theta is equal to A by B. Then we need to find tan theta. We know that tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So sine theta is already given. So we need to find cos theta. So whenever sine theta is given and we need to find cos theta, we can use the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta will be 1 minus sine square theta. So cos theta will be square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Now sine theta value will plug in from this A by B into this expression and get cos theta. So cos theta will be square root 1 minus a square by b square. Taking LCM as b square, we get this as square root b square minus a square by b square. B square square root will be b. So denominator becomes b and numerator will be square root b square minus a square. So this is cos theta only. So we need to get tan theta. So sin theta is there, cos theta is there. We can compute tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is a by b we plug in and cos theta we will plug in from here. So b will get cancelled. So it will be left with tan theta as a by square root of b square minus a square. Option D is the correct answer. If x and y are complementary angles, then which of this is true? So what are complementary angles? Complementary angles means whose sum is 90 degrees. So it means x plus y is 90. So how do we approach this problem? Let us first see the values of sine and cosine for different angles. So we see that sine theta is varying from 0 to 1. Similarly, cos theta is varying from 1 to 0. And tan theta is evaluated as sine theta by cos theta. We observe that sine 30 is equal to cos 60. Similarly, cos 30 is equal to sine 60 and sine 45 is equal to cos 45. So what we observe from here, that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. This is very important. You must remember this formula, that sine theta is cos 90 minus theta, or in other words, sine of angle 1. If sine of angle 1 is equal to cos of angle 2, then angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. Let us add these two, theta 90 minus theta, if we add, we will get 90 degree. So sum of these two angles is complementary when sine of angle is equal to cos of angle 2. This is very important. So now we are given x and y are complementary. So it means sine of y, say sine of y is equal to cos of 90 minus y. Or we'll see from here. Let us take this expression and check it. What is sec x? Sec x is 1 over cos x and this is 1 over sine y. If 1 over cos x is equal to 1 over sine y, it means sine y equal to cos x. So sine y equal to cos x means x plus y is 90 degrees. So x and y are complementary. Then sec x equal to cosec y. Other options are not correct. The correct option is B. If A and 2A minus 45 degree are acute angles such that sine A equal to cos 2A minus 45, then tan A is equal to Previous slide we studied if sine of angle 1 is equal to cos of angle 2, then the two angles are complementary. So we can write a plus 2a minus 45, a plus 2a minus 45 is 90 degree. Solving this, 3a minus 45, 90, 3a will be 135, a will be 45 degree. So a is computed as 45 degree. Then tan a, tan 45 is 1. So the correct option is A. If sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, then cos square theta plus cos 4 theta is how much? Here we need to get somehow cos theta from this expression. So what we do, first we take sine square theta on the RHS. So this will become 1 minus sine square theta. From the identity we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. So sine theta is equal to cos square theta. That's what we got in it now. Sine theta plus sine square theta is 1. Sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta, which is cos square theta. So we got sine theta as cos square theta if this is true. Now in this expression, we substitute that. Sine theta is cos square theta. So this will become sine theta. Will become sine square theta. So sine theta plus sine square theta is nothing but 1. So the correct explanation is option B. 5 tan square A minus 5 sec square A plus 1 equals what? Whenever we see tan square and sec square, immediately identity should come 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Or in other words, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. But we are given tan square A minus sec square. So we will take minus of this. So we will take minus 5 common. So we will take minus 5 sec square A minus tan square A. In this we have taken minus 5 as common. Plus the balance term 1. So sec square A minus tan square A is 1. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Plus 1 is minus 4. The correct option is B. If in a triangle ABC angle C is 90, then sine of A plus B is how much? First it looks bit confusing since we don't know the formula of sine A plus B. But actually it is a very straightforward problem. We know that three angles of a triangle, the sum is 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, out of which C is 90. So angle A plus angle B will be 180 minus 90, which is 90. So A plus B is 90 degree. Sine 90. Sine 90 we know from the table, sine 90 is 1. The correct option is A. It is important to remember this table as few questions you may get using the values. So you need to just remember the first row. That sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. And how, if you know only first row, second row is just reverse of that. That is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. And tan theta is 0, sine theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3, 2 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is root 3, 1 by 0 is not defined. So if we know the first row, we can always get all other rows. The next question, the value of tan theta in the figure is, and the figure is given here. This is theta here. And the three sides of triangle are 16, 12 and 20. So we need to get tan theta. We know that wherever right angle is there, opposite to that is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is weighing 20. And wherever theta is there, opposite to that is the opposite side. So opposite side length is 12 and this is the adjacent side whose length is 16. This is hypotenuse. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So this is tan theta, opposite side is 12, adjacent side is 16. So it is 12 by 16. 12 by 16 can be simplified as 3 by 4. The correct option is D. If 3 sec theta minus phi equal to 0, then cot theta we need to find. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So we can get tan theta from this expression. Once we get tan theta, cot theta is 1 over tan theta. So we will first solve this and get sec theta. Then using the identity we will get tan theta. Then cot theta we can get it. So sec theta is 5 by 3. 5 will take this side and divide by 3. Sec theta is 5 by 3. Now we know that tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. So 5 by 3 the whole square minus 1 is tan square theta. So tan theta will be 4 by 3. This will be 25 by 9 minus 1 which will be 16 by 9. So when we take square root it becomes 4 by 3. Why we are taking square root? Because here tan square theta is there. So if tan theta is 4 by 3, cot theta is 1 over tan theta. So it becomes 3 by 4. So the correct option is B. Friends, with this we conclude this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you very much friends.